So if you see right here, I've made a profit of about $10, and on the other trade right here is $2. Hi guys, welcome back to the daily forex. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a very powerful strategy for boom 500 index. This strategy is a very good strategy, so let's get started. Well, I just want to give you a very quick illustration on how this strategy works. Okay, so now let's say this is the chart, right, and these two lines right here are the RSI, and this is also the RSI. Okay, this line right here is also the RSI, and this line right here is the maker. Okay, the maker line, just as you can see. Okay, so these two levels right here, we're going to be setting this one at 90 and this other level at level 15, right? Level 15. Okay, so with this strategy, we're going to be focusing on the maker line, which is this line. Okay, and this is the line we're going to be using to take in about 4 or 5 candles in the market. Okay, so the only time we're going to enter into the market, which is the entry point, is going to be at this point right here. So when this line, which is the maker line, crosses below this point, this level 15 of the RSI, you take 4 or 5 candles. You can take about 3 candles if you want to. Okay, but what I do on this video, I took about 5 candles. That's how I made a profit from this video. Okay, I'm going to show you in a sec. So I just want to show you an illustration so that you can understand the strategy when I'm going to show you on my M25. Okay, so this is the illustration, and these are the two indicators we're going to be using for this strategy. So this one right here is the maker, and this other one right here is the RSI. Okay, now let's get started with the main video. So now back to the M25, just as you can see. So let's go to the indicators. Now you can see we're using the maker and the RSI, and the maker right here, the period is going to be on 14, while the levels 0.3 in 0.7, the style 1 pixel, the color is white. Then you put this line on the middle, then you click on done, then you apply to all time frames. Just as you can see here, the style right here is 1 pixel while the color is green, as you can see. Then after that, you click on done. But what you do is you set the relative strength index first so that the levels will show. Okay, so you put in the RSI in indicator window 1, then you put the levels 14, you apply to close. Right here you put on level 80. So on this level 15, we're going to put on sell, right? We're going to put this one on sell, while this one is buy. Okay, put buy right here, but we're not using the buy, so we're only using sell on the boom 500. Then the style right here, you set the color to black. Then after that, you put the line in the middle, this one right here, then you click on done. Then this one, the style is going to be on blue, the color is blue, while the pixel is on 2 pixel, the line is on the middle, then you click on done. So now this is the strategy. Let's put on the maker back into the chart. So we already set the levels for the maker, so no need to go into all that details. Then you click on done. So this is the indicators we're going to be using for this strategy, and this is the chart, right? So I just want to show you the profit I make real quick. So this is the profit I make using this strategy right here. I made about $10. I $10 and $2 using this strategy. Illustration for this live video. Okay, I did a live video before making this tutorial, so I'm going to show you that one in a sec. So now let's get started with this video. So like I said previously, when I was illustration using the pen and the paper, I said immediately if the maker crosses below this line, you take 5 candles or 3 candles or 4 depending on you, then you exit the market. But during this trade, I took about 5 candles. That's how I made a $10 profit and also a $2 profit using this strategy. It really works. I tried strategy a couple times. Okay, so just as you can see, then right here again, you take about 5 candles. Immediately guys, immediately it crossed below this level 15. Take a look at this level 15. We're placing the sell because it's for boom 500 index. Okay, we're not using the buy, only the sell right here. Okay, so level 15, immediately it crosses below, you take a sell, and you take 3, 4 or 5 candles depending on you. I took 5 candles, right? Then right here again, you see 5 candles. I took right here again. So but this strategy is not 100% strategy. Okay, we all know there's no 100% forex trading strategy that will give you 100% accuracy. Okay, but this strategy is actually works. Okay, you can use it to grow your account, your small account. You can also use it for scalping, right? So with this strategy, you can see right here it's reached this level right here, but it did not, it spiked immediately. So you can see right here it crosses this line, okay, but there was a spike, right? But these spikes do not occur always at this point. It do not occur always at this point, okay? But you can see right here again, after you take a 5 candle, okay, right here again there was no spikes, so you're gonna take just like 4 or 5 candles using this same strategy. So guys, this strategy is a very powerful strategy and it's a very good strategy. Okay, so I'm gonna call this strategy about 75% accuracy strategy because it works 75%. Okay, just as you can see right here there was a spike. Okay, you didn't take right here, you see it reached below this point, but there was a spike. Okay, there was a spike. So this strategy is not 100% because the spike might catch you. Okay, so when you're trading using this same strategy, guys, I want you to take note of this point. You're gonna be taking the candles each. Okay, after each candles you close the trade. Okay, if you are a new trader, right, you close the trade after each candle. Let's say you take about 1 candle, then you exit the market, then you place a sell again for another candle when the maker crosses the level of 15 right here. Okay, I tested this strategy on boom 500 index, so I don't know if it's going to work on crash 500 index because I've not actually tested this strategy on crash 500 index yet, but it works on boom 500. That's why I'm showing you guys, and I'm going to show you the profit I make right now just so you can see. Okay, so if you see right here, I've made a profit of about $10, and on the other trade right here is $2. Okay, so at this point when this the marker, okay, this is the maker line, once it crosses below this level 15, immediately you take a sell for boom 500. all right, immediately guys, just as you can see, this is a live trade right now, just as you can see. So when you take 2 or 5 candles and at this point you exit the market, okay, because it's going to spike any moment from now. So at this point I've made my profit right now, so I'm going to close the market. As you can see, I've made up to $14 right there as profit, while at this other trade right there I've made about $3, right? So as you can see on this particular video, this is a live trade, so I'm going to quickly close the one that I've made a $3, right? I've closed that first one, then this other one is going to be the one with $10, right? So it's gonna spike very soon, guys. It's gonna spike very soon from this point. So I'm gonna close this market real quick. $16 at 17. So I'm gonna take that profit right there and close the market, just as you can see. Okay, so at this point, if we zoom right now, you see I took about 5 candles, right? One from here, just as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 at this point. So I place a sell right here, you can see from here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay guys, so just like I said, it's gonna spike right here. You can see it spikes at this point. So immediately the relative strength index, this blue line, immediately the RSI crosses below this level 15. Now if you take a look and zoom to this level, you're gonna see that this blue line crosses below this level 15 at this point, guys. So immediately this is the point where you want to exit in the market. Okay, but at first you take 5 candles, guys. Immediately you take 5 candles when the maker crosses below the level 15. That's when you take 5 candles from the market, and after taking your 5 candles you exit the market immediately so that the spikes won't catch you. Okay, so after taking 5 candles you exit the market and you take your profit for that. So guys, if you find this video very helpful and you really enjoy watching this video tutorial, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel so you can see more awesome videos from the daily forex. Okay, and I will see you guys on the next video.